Hi, my name is Ala. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a casual makeup look, just a little bit on the natural, easygoing, just something that I can throw on and go do some errands with. So if you want to see how I came up with this look, please stay tuned. To start my base, I'm going to use this Beauty of Joseon SPF, and it's in SPF 50. There's not that much left, so I'm just trying to use it up. Not quite sure where the direction of the makeup is going to go today. I don't have a look in mind exactly, so I'll just see with products that I have where it's gonna lead. I just wanted to do a shop my stash, something a little relaxed and enjoying the makeup and the colors that I own. It feels really nice and it smells really kind of fresh. I will use this Bareminerals Complexion Rescue. This is also an SPF tinted moisturizer, so I'll be having double coverage today. I'll just do like a light layer, nothing too full coverage for today. With this tinted moisturizer, I do like to just go in with my hands because it kind of feels like a lotion. It's very, very light. For concealer, I am finishing up this Ere Perez Arnica concealer in Latte. This one is super creamy. Definitely doesn't last very long. It's not an all-day dependable concealer, so if you have dark circles and you want them covered all day, this is not it. I just like to use it on the light days where I don't mind it wearing away, and it really does feel like skincare, so that's the type of vibe that you're going for, then it's really nice. Just cover up a little bit here, some of the red spots. I am going to use the blush first because usually when I put bronzer first, then it kind of just covers up the blush and then you can't really tell what the color is supposed to be. So I am going to use this Dior pink blush and I'm putting it on a little fluffy brush, and I might, yeah, I guess it's showing up. In person, it doesn't look as pigmented as it's coming off on the camera there. It's definitely a very sheer blush, and it's nowhere near as cool as it is in the pan. And it looks like it might even be hard panning. I'm not really sure what's going on there with that. And for the blush, for the bronzer, I haven't used this in a while, the Chanel Cream bronzer. So I'm going to use it today. Whoa, it's a little pigmented there. Yeah, so this color is definitely made for more neutral skin tones, not olive skin. So just a warning out there to any fair olive skin tones, this is not really one that will do us justice unless you do like a super light wash of it as just kind of like a golden layer on top, then maybe you could make it work and really blend it out so it's not looking too pigmented in any one area. I find the rose ink one is definitely better in color, but if you put too much as well on olive skin, then it can look really bad. So you don't want to put too much. I'll use a small brush and just kind of set my under eye and lid so I can go in with eyeshadow. As the weather has been warming up, I have been appreciating this drying powder a little bit more because I've been doing more activities outside, so my normal to dry skin would definitely get more oily. So this has actually been keeping it at bay, and it's been working out really, really well. I'll do my brows with this Kosas tinted air brow. I'll do my lips first and then I'll finish off with my eyes. I am going to use Icon Baby by Charlotte Tilbury. And I did pick up the Icon Baby lipstick that I did not have previously, so here it is. And it's a really pretty kind of cool toned cool toned lipstick, and it is a bit grainy. So there are like sparkles in there, but I don't mind the grain. So this is what Icon Baby looks like on fair olive skin tone. I think it's really, really pretty. And it's such a good, like, everyday look. I like these soft colors that she's been coming out with. For eyeshadow, I will use this paint pot in Groundwork. It's just a nice shadowy base. If I didn't show it already, there's Groundwork. And I'm going to use also this Laura Mercier Caviar stick in Burnished Bronze. I like to throw it into the under eye as more depth, and it usually looks really, really nice. I will add a liner, just any old brown eyeliner that you have. I will really quick curl my lashes and then apply the Tarte mascara. This is just the Shiseido curler. This is a really nice tubing mascara. I've been really enjoying. This is just the sample size, but I would certainly consider getting the full size. It's just been working so well for my lashes. They're not the biggest, they're not the longest, and that mascara has been really making them look super nice. I might add a highlight. I'm gonna use this Rose Inc cream highlighter, and I think Rose Inc might be, I don't know, might be going out of business because all her products are on sale and everything is sold out. So I don't know what's going on with Rose Inc, but sadly it might be going. I know that Rosie, the owner, she like started a TV show, like a documentary, which is kind of interesting. All right, and then I'll just finish off with some spray using this Porefessional. And that completes this look for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the look. It's just a casual, really low-key makeup that I wanted to do more on the natural side, nothing too loud. for just something to, you know, run around and do errands with and look more put together. I hope you guys like this video and consider subscribing and sticking around. I have a lot of content that is for fair golden olive skin tones, and the products that I use are usually catered towards olive skin tone. So if you enjoy that content or you feel like you might need some help in that category, then I can be here to help you with that. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you guys next time.